Finding a partner for my new project is harder than dating in New York. And trust me, I know.
Alright, let's do this. Mr. Anything CNC Manufacturing. Wow, this could be the one. Mr. Anything, I like the confidence.
Hey, it's got the shape, right? It's all about the vibe.
More like Mr. Absolutely Nothing! Next! 20 questions, CNC. Okay, communication. I need that. This looks promising.
Hey Jay, me again. Why is this corner rounded? Quick question, what's this hole for? Just checking in, you sure you want aluminum for this? I feel like plastic would be cheaper.
This isn't communication, it's a cross-examination. The ghost. Okay, fine. Let's talk, more action. I can get on board with that. Hello, any updates of the progress?
We're sorry, your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and try your call again.
Let's try. Even if the outcome might be the same. Wait, what's this? No cheesy taglines, just results. Hey Jay, solid design, quick thoughts. If we slightly increase the fillet on corner B, we can use the more efficient tool height and save you about 15% on cost without a fighting function. Let me know what you think. Yes, do it! Wow! Perfect! That's exactly what I wanted! I think I finally found the one